Today's question is minus 2i times square root of 2 times integral 0 to 9 and the integral 0 to 1 x times e raised to the power of pi I dy by dx. We need to find value of this. This question looks like it difficult, but after watching the solution then you can realize that it is very easy. Let's do how to solve this. Here we have minus 2i and here we have double integral and x times e raised to the power of pi I. First I am going to observe this e raised to the power of pi I. Here we need to recall Euler's formula. What is the Euler's formula? E raised to the power of ix, that is equal to cos of x plus I sin of x. So if you substitute x as pi, then e raised to the power of I times pi, that is equal to cos of pi plus I times sin of pi. And we know that cos pi the value is minus 1 plus I times, and also we know that sin pi the value is 0. So e raised to the power of pi I the value is minus 1. So let's take that. By Euler's formula we found that this value is minus 1. Now x times minus 1 which gives minus x. I am going to write minus here. Now observe this only this integral 0 to 1 x dy. We are doing with respect to y, not with x. That's why. So here x is a constant. So x take it as friend. So integral 0 to 1 dy. So that is equal to x times integral 0 to 1 dy. The value is y only. So now apply the limits. Our lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. So that is equal to x times apply the upper limit which is 1 minus lower limit is 0. So that is equal to x. So then integral 0 to 1 x dy the value is x. Integral 0 to 1 x dy the value is x. And still we have dx. Now take this integral 0 to 9 x dx. Here we are doing with respect to x. That's why. What is the integral of x raised to the power of n formula? X raised to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. So here our n value is 1. So that's why. So x raised to the power of n plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 which is 2 over n we are taking as 1. So 1 plus 1 which is 2. Now apply the limits. So let's apply the upper limit which is 9 whole raised to the power of 2 over 2 minus the lower limit is 0. So 0 raised to the power of 2 over 2 which is 0 only. So this value is 9 raised to the power of 2, the value is 81 over 2. Integral 0 to 9 x times dx. The value is 81 over 2. Let's take that. Now the numerator 2 and denominator 2 gets cancelled. So we left only
minus 81.
We can write it as 1 times 81. Isn't it? This minus 1 we can write it in terms of square, that is iota square. Iota square is minus 1. So instead of minus 1 I am going to write iota square, and instead of 81 I am going to write 9 square. Now it is in the form of a power m times b power m. We can take it as a product, then write as once ab whole raised to the power of m. Same like that here we can write this as 9i whole raised to the power of 2. Here square and square root gets cancelled, so we left only 9i. So that is equal to, now multiply the numbers. Minus 2 times 9 which gives minus 18. Then what you left? I times I which gives iota square. And we know that iota square the value is minus 1. So minus 18 times minus 1, minus term minus which gives plus. So the value is plus 18. So therefore minus 2i square root of 2 times integral 0 to 9, then integral 0 to 1 x times e raised to the power of pi I dy by dx. The value is 18. If you like the content, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.